Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. It is the story of a woman who is in pursuit of dreams and aspirations, and her life story made others to realize what is life and you should not be unfair to yourself. Her life story made everyone to realize that problems are not too big, but we are too small because we cannot handle them. Her story told many people that real success doesn't lie in success, fame, money, husband, life, and wife, but in gratitude, honesty, loyalty. I'm here to share the story of that woman. She believes in the power of words. She knows the value of words. Words can break you, it can make you, it can heal you, it can make you successful. Wherever she goes, she adores to use only positive words. Only positive words. There are some incidents and betrayal which would have hurted you and broken you. Those incidents would mold you into the best version of you. And the same thing happened to her. She was 18 years when she got married. She belonged to a conservative family. She got married out of her father's wish, but it was unhappy marriage. Unhappy marriage. After 2 years of getting married, she met a car accident. The car fell into the ditch. Her husband managed to jump out and saved himself, whereas she sustained a lot of injuries. Her right arm was fractured, totally fractured. Her wrist was fractured. Shoulder, collarbone were fractured. Her whole rib cage got fractured. Due to this, her lungs and liver were badly injured. That incident changed her life completely. She got paralyzed for the rest of her life. She was helpless in that toppled car. She was totally broken in a bumpy ride. She was totally broken in a bumpy ride. That is where she realized that her half body was fractured. When you start sharing your story, if it does not make you to cry, it says that you have healed. You have healed. Those days were dreadful. Those days were dreadful. When she was in the hospital paralyzed, doctor said that she won't be able to paint again and won't be able to walk and won't be able to give birth to a child. Won't able to give birth to a child. That day she was devastated, but her mother's words healed her a lot. Her mother's words healed her a lot. And that is where she started questioning her existence, that why is she even alive? At that time, she felt incomplete woman without children. At that time, she felt incomplete woman without children. She started to paint. She started to paint and she painted the very first painting on her deathbed. It was not just painting, but she could paint her heart out. She could paint her heart out. She was bedridden for 2 years. She was able to sit on the wheelchair after 2.5 months. She was trying to cling on to her husband who did not want her anymore. She was trying to cling on to her husband who did not want her anymore. She liberated herself by setting him free. Setting him free. She made her mind so emotionally strong that the day she got news that he is going to get married, she sent him a text immediately. She sent him a text immediately that I'm so happy for you. After a few months, she adopted a child and started to live the fullest life. The fullest life. The fullest. Life is a trial, friends. Every time, everyone should realize it. Don't go behind perfection. Nothing is perfect in this world, and nothing is permanent in this world. Hence, never give up. Never give up. What makes you perfect? What makes you perfect? When you make someone smile, accept yourself the way you are first. Accept yourself the way you are. The way you are. Sometimes we are too busy thinking about the things what we don't have and forget to cherish the blessings what you have now. Moral: keep going, because never giving up is the way to live. Subscribe and share, like this video. Bye.